This is table number 8. Today we are going to discuss about the brachial plexus. Brachial plexus arise from C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1 roots. It has trunks, divisions, cords and branches. Today we are going to learn about the cords. The three main cords are the lateral cord, medial cord and the posterior cord. The lateral cord can be remembered by the mnemonics LML, where it has the branches for the lateral pectoral nerve, musculocutaneous nerve and lateral root of the median nerve. Next is the medial cord, which can be remembered by the mnemonics M4U, where it supplies medial root of the median nerve, musculocutaneous nerve of the forearm, musculocutaneous nerve of the arm and medial pectoral nerve, and U stands for ulnar nerve. Next is the posterior cord, which can be remembered by the mnemonic RADS, where it has the branches for the radial nerve, axillary nerve, thoracodorsal nerve and upper subscapularis nerve and the lower subscapularis nerve. Axillary artery. It is the beginning of the subclavian artery and continues as the axillary artery, and it further continues as the brachial artery from the lower border of the teres major muscle. Pectoralis minor muscle divides the axillary artery into three parts. First part, the anterior portion, is covered by the clavicular head of the pectoralis major muscle and the loop of the communication between the medial and the lateral pectoral nerves. Posterior part is covered by the medial cord of the brachial plexus, first digitation of the serratus anterior muscle and long thoracic nerve. Medial part is covered by the axillary vein. Lateral part is covered by the lateral and posterior cord of brachial plexus. Second part, the anterior part is covered by the pectoralis major muscle and the pectoralis minor muscle. Medial part is covered by the medial cord of the brachial plexus and the axillary vein. Posterior part is covered by the posterior cord of the brachial plexus, and lateral part is covered by the lateral cord of the brachial plexus. And third part is anterior part is covered by the median nerve and pectoralis major muscle. Medial part is covered by the axillary vein, medial cutaneous nerve to the forearm and the ulnar nerve. Posterior part is covered by the axillary nerve, radial nerve, subscapularis muscle and teres major muscle. Lateral part is covered by the musculocutaneous nerve.